What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we're gonna be talking about features we do not want to see in the next generation Tacoma. Now, I don't know why, but I think Toyota eventually watches YouTubers' videos on what they do and don't want, and well, this is our chance to voice our opinions. Hopefully this video does really well and Toyota sees what we do and don't want. If you agree with me, well then like the video. If you don't agree with me, let me know down below in the comment section what we would like to see. So without further ado, let's get into number one. Alrighty, so now that we're in the vehicle, let's get right into it. Let's talk about 3 things that I do not want to see in the next generation Tacoma. Now, of course, we can have our fingers crossed, we can flush ice down the toilet, but I think that's just for snow. You know what I'm saying. We can hope for the best for modifications to come, but hopefully at least Toyota will listen to this and at least remove some of the gripes and dislikes we have about the Tacoma. This one I think we can all agree on. I think everyone who owns a Tacoma, everyone who has driven a Tacoma knows that, well, the transmission got to go. Now I will give it to it, it's reliable, it works, and well, it's not the smoothest thing, it's not the nicest or most comfortable thing, it is reliable, but just the amount of complaints, right? Like if one person complains, okay, I get it. 2 people, okay, I get it. But almost every Tacoma owner just isn't a fan. So much so that they would rather get a manual and hope that they are better at shifting gears than a computer on a 40 to 50, even now, $60,000 truck. So for me, that would be the first thing. I would hope that they're gonna put in like an 8-speed just because, well, this, I don't know if it needs a 10-speed. Either way, it's gonna be better, I hope. At least smoother, I hope. It's gonna be a little bit more tamed and a little bit more efficient. Now, I honestly wouldn't have a problem if they kept this engine and just slapped a different transmission in here. I don't think Toyota is going by that, by that game plan, but of course, we can always hope and pray. Before I get into number 2, let me just say one thing. I don't hate my Tacoma and I buy this truck over and over and over again and I love it. But there are some minor things that, well, we could change and improve on. Number 2 would be the wired Apple CarPlay. It sucks because, well, this truck is gonna be around for another 2 years, I would say. And well, I don't see wireless CarPlay coming in until the next generation Tacoma. And that's if they even do that. The only reason I say that is because they're gonna go off of the feedback that they get from this Tundra. A lot of people aren't a fan of the bigger infotainment system. So what if they don't even change the infotainment system enough to be able to apply the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? So that's my fear. I'm scared that they're gonna take it a little bit too far. That stick out screen that's just gonna stick up above your dash and look awkward. I hope that they do implement something a little bit more seamless, a little bit something more what we're used to. Give the stock trucks better speakers. Now, I'm not even talking about sound quality. I get it. There needs to be, a barrier between the lower trims versus the higher trims. I get it. I'm cool with that. I'm fine. Toyota, do your thing. But this is my second SR5. The first SR and the second SR5 had this problem. Whenever I would play music, my left speaker would rattle. It would just be shaking at all times. It would be vibrating. And then if you wanted it to stop, you have to sit with your foot riding up against the door, pressing on the door so that it wouldn't vibrate. Now, I don't know why this is. Toyota, please fix it. It's unfortunate that sometimes these are people's first trucks. When I bought the SR5, I was like, I'll never buy an SR5 again because this problem happened. If you're enjoying this video so far, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. I greatly appreciate it. Remember, there's a giveaway at 3,000 subscribers. So if you're interested, help out the channel. Number 3 actually almost stopped me from buying another Tacoma. So when I sold this last truck, I did stay in touch with some of my subscribers. They would reach out on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever the case may be, and we would chitter chat. We would talk about, what am I thinking? What are you thinking about getting now that, well, you don't have that Tacoma? I test drove many vehicles, and one of the SUVs that stood out to me the most was a 4Runner. Now, the 4Runner isn't so much a truck, but you can implement some of the technology from that truck or SUV into this truck. What I'm hinting at is getting rid of the leaf pack. I think the leaf pack was great. I think it was nice. I think it was awesome while it lasted, but most of us don't use this truck as a workhorse or as some type of hauler of any sorts. The new Tundra did get coil, so I'm pretty excited about that. That's kind of leading us in the right direction. I think it'll be better. I think it's gonna be better for the majority. I think most of us just buy these trucks for fun, and I think you can have a lot of fun with coils and have a better ride overall. So that's what I'm excited about. Number 3, definitely the leaf packs have to go. right? Am I wrong? A lot of people brag and boast about the Ram's ride, about the Ford's ride. So, you know, we're the only ones missing out on this coil spring action. Like, let me get some of that. Hopefully Toyota watches this video and they keep us in mind with our request. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. Please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy, I'm Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.